I'm Amanda Jane, and in this video I am going to talk about how keeping a gratitude journal works with the law of attraction. And if you stay till the end, I will share with you how you can get your hands on my Live Now formula that has helped me and thousands of people just like you from all over the world achieve their wealth and lifestyle dreams. And to get even more strategies to design your perfect life, whatever that looks like for you, the same ones that I have used to help thousands of people empower themselves, make sure you subscribe to my channel below and click the notification bell above this video and tune in for more empowering videos every Thursday. I'm Amanda Jane Clarkson. Now let's get into how keeping a journal for gratitude works with the law of attraction. So as you can see in my hand, I am holding my own journal, and my journal says My Life by Design. Now, you can get your hands on whatever journal you choose to. This is a journal that I have designed for myself and the people that I mentor. But what I'm about to share with you is very empowering. So make sure you've got a pen and write it down, because this is how I have created the lifestyle that I have dreamed about since I was a young kid growing up. Now, when you talk about the laws of attraction, here's the main thing to remember. What you focus on, you create in your life. So the question is, looking around your life, looking at the surroundings you have, the things that you experience, the people that you hang out with, what does that look and feel like for you? Here's the truth. Most people never get to live the life that they dream about because they simply don't know what they want. In other words, they don't focus on having their attention on creating the goals and the dreams that they have inside of themselves. They just let the day take over, and before they know it, they've grown up, life is just taken over, and they're miserable. However, the law of attraction works through energy and what you focus on. Just remember that you are vibration, and depending on what your vibration is, your energy level, that will determine what you attract into your life. And so many years ago, I got focused on using a journal, and that helped me focus on the things that I wanted to achieve in my life. Because here's the thing, if you don't take responsibility, if you don't plan and think about what you want to have happen in your life, other people, other experiences, and other situations will end up overpowering you. And before you know it, your life is out of control. You're out of balance and probably feeling really frustrated with your life. So I've got a few notes here that I want to make sure I give you. So write this down. Everything is energy. Your point of attraction depends on your vibration level. So do you think about things that are happening around you that don't make you feel good, and all you're worrying about is what's happening with everything except what you want to achieve? The point of having a journal is to write down what each of your dreams and your goals in particular, and the goals are determined by the dreams you have, what they look like, and then you write them down in detail. So what I always say is begin with the end in mind of whatever you want to attract into every area of your life. The 7 areas of your life that I like to focus on is your health, your money, your career, love, relationships, happiness, and personal growth. So thinking about those areas of life, and you might just want to focus on one area, and that's totally okay. Think about the end dream of how you would like it to look like, or what you'd like it to look like, how you'd like to feel for the rest of your life. And then the goals are broken down chunks, right down to every detail that you can think about. And inside my journal, I even write out creating my life by design starts with a dream. And so in my own journal here, I even write down what my particular dream is. Now, you may have a dream to be financially independent, and so that would be the dream. And then to work backwards, the goals are all the steps broken down into years, to months, to weeks, to days, to even moments of how you are going to achieve that dream. The truth is, just sitting there hoping and wishing and praying for the dream to become your reality is not how the universe works. The universe works in a way that when you are truly committed, you are truly focused, and you have written down in detail what you want to achieve, different people, different circumstances, different events, all these things happen as if by magic that turn up that will help you along your way. You see, the problem is that most people have no clue how the universal laws work. They have no clue how to use a journal. But if you start to focus on what it is that you want and write it down, and one of my other pages is gratitude and love. I write down things that I am grateful for in my life that I have right now. Actually, right now I am sitting on a cruise ship in the Caribbean Sea, and we have just docked in Mexico. And you know, this is a part of my dream. I love to travel, I love to meet people, go different places. And this is where I'm making this video from Mexico right now. So think about what your dreams are, and in the gratitude area, I write down that I am grateful for those dreams as if they are in the now, and I focus on them. I write them out in detail, and I feel them inside of me. And this is another really important point I want to make. How you feel is your indication of whether you are focusing and moving closer towards your dream or further away from your dream. Because if you use a gratitude journal and you're writing out your goals, your hopes and your dreams, and you're thinking about it, planning them, executing with daily action, then you are focusing on things that are moving you closer to the outcome. And that is really very critical. So the things to pay attention on are these. What you focus on, you attract. Write that down. Your feelings are your indicator of whether you're focusing on what you want to achieve or the lack of what you want to achieve. If you feel good and you're using your journal and writing down all your gems, your ideas, your possibilities, like I do in my journal, I write down my fabulous ideas and my aha moments from all of the education and the books and the things that I read to help me stay focused and on track. And therefore I attract opportunities and people that can help me make my dreams come true. The thing is this, if you truly are determined, you're committed, and you follow a set of success principles like my 7-step Live Now formula that I will give you at the end of this video, as I promised, you will absolutely achieve your hopes, goals and dreams. I guarantee it, because I've been living it and I have been journaling my life since the year 1997, and if it works for me, I guarantee it will work for you. Okay, gorgeous. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, make sure you write down all these action steps and start journaling right now and see your dreams become your reality sooner than you think. I'm Amanda Jane Clarkson, wealth and lifestyle coach for women. And remember to click the link below to get my 7-part video series, and that's for the Freedom Formula, the Live Now Freedom Formula, and also hit the subscribe and the like button below so that you are notified with empowering videos each and every Thursday. Bye for now.